somebody's just writing books and making a living even in 2025, and some people still care. I think that's amazing, and that person is me. So I think it's just beautiful.
इतना जब 5 Point Samman, इतनी सारी बुक्स आपकी ऑब्वियसली बेस्ट सेलर्स बनी है, राइट? आई एम श्योर पीपल हु हैव नॉट बीन देयर, डन दैट, व्हेन दे राइट अ न्यू बुक, दे डोंट हैव दैट प्रेशर, राइट? उनका अलग ही है जोन,
हाँ
क्योंकि उन्होंने वो चीज़ देखी नहीं है आज तक।
हाँ
बट आपके केस में, राइट, यू स्टिल हैव दैट 10x आई बिलीव प्रेशर कि भाई पिछले वाले के को बीट करना है मुझे। डू यू फील दैट?
Yeah, I mean, I have to find a way to keep it aside. Um, like I said, my first book, 5.1, I wrote as a innocent writer first time. That was probably my purest.
तब तो आप
उसके
जॉब
बाद
कर रहे थे
हाँ,
साथ में, हाँ।
but now I'm aware I'm Chetan Bhagat and like I have a contract and HarperCollins ये चल रहा है मतलब, and there's a big print runs and things like that I have to deliver, right? So you cannot like, you'll get too overwhelmed अगर ऐसे सोचोगे तो. And that is again why I had to isolate myself and get away from it all and tell myself, what is the story I want to write if I was not published? What is the story I want to write even if no one read it? I would still want to write it because I just love the story. I want to see it on paper for myself. I want to read that book. And that's usually the best work that comes because the pressure can be real. And if you let it affect you, ki, oh, you are whatever, bestseller, number one, whatever. So and every time I write a new book, I'm putting my reputation on the line. I have so many books and they are hits. So I can just chill rest of my life. I could have still come to your podcast. Ah, sir, ye ho gaya, maine ye kar diya, wo kar diya. Now I'm sitting here vulnerable. In 5 days, this is out, and the whole country is going to put their judgments on it. Some will be good, some will be bad. It's just what I do. I told myself I cannot be so attached to that, past success, fame. My karma is to write. अच्छा आए बुरा आए वो ऊपर वाले के हाथ में है. I try my best. As long as I feel I've written the best book I can. And I feel that with this book. अभी आई नहीं है but I am happy. कई बार होता है बुक हिट भी हो जाती है, अंदर से मुझे लगता है कि यार इतनी भी अच्छी नहीं थी, मैंने और कर सकता था. I could have, there was more room to make it better.
ऐसी कौन सी बुक में लगा आपको?
Like a one night at a call center.
अच्छा।
I felt I had released it too soon. Sometimes I've done things like that. So I think once I know that I'm writing it for myself and I am happy with it, then it doesn't matter.
हाँ, आपको लगता है कि हर राइटर की एक शेल्फ लाइफ होती है?
Yeah, I mean, हम सब human beings की shelf life होती है
हाँ।
यार. We are all perishable people.
How does that define a writer? Like उसके केस में is it just the duration or something else? How do you stay relevant? अगर मैं
हाँ.
उसको दूसरे तरीके से
Yeah,
पूछूं।
so
हाँ,
shelf life होती है लेकिन from my experience you can extend it.
ठीक है।
Quite, there's some range you can make by constantly reinventing yourself and by constantly taking huge risks and still doing it. Like I did murder mysteries, I did a non-fiction book called 11 Rules for Life. All very difficult decisions. 11 Rules for Life did well, it still sells, but my publisher was like, sir, आप तो love stories लिखते हो. Or like when I started writing newspaper columns, आप तो पिक्चरें लिखते हो, आप कहाँ से US इकोनॉमी या इंडियन इकोनॉमी पे लिखोगे. So it was all risky moves, but all that has helped build my brand to a point where I can do a lot of things, and therefore it has given me a longer shelf life. So I think you can do it, but you just have to be willing to bet it all.